Center of Excellence. It's the final of the Jamaica Football Championship. Sees Chaplaton Maroons going up against Racing United. Chaplaton Maroon out of Clarendon, Racing United out of St. Catherine.
You can't listen to him. Yeah, but me see you go some chair. Me think you have to sit down and chair on.
Looking at the starting lineup for the teams for today. Racing, they will start with Ashike Swearing, number 1. Number 4, Romain Walters. Number 17, the captain, Markovich Brown. Number 9, Raheem Edwards. Number 21, Anton Rule. Number 3, Khalifa Richards. Number 13, David Gray. Number 6, DeAndre Johnson. Number 12, Kadeem Young. Number 30, Jack Watson. And number 8, Shavon Reed.
Show me off of the chair.
The Chaplaton Maroon team, they will start with Antoine Gooden, number 30. Tremaine Williamson, number 6.
Then be a big mystery. That's why you have to stand up. No, man.
Number 21, Ashani Fuller. Okay, once again, let's get back to the starting lineup for the Chaplaton Maroon. Number 30, Antoine Gooden. Number 6, Tremaine Williamson. Number 11, Yvonne Williams. Number 22, Nashawn Bennett. Number 7, Ray Campbell. 50, Javon Ellis. Number 10, Juna Lynch. Number 26, Tajra Brown. Number 9, Jamari Howell. Number 3, Alwyn Ryan. And number 14, Asani Ricky. The Chaplaton Maroon team, coached by Bijan Thomas, manager Charles Killenbeck. Coach for the Racers United team, the Anthony Patrick, and the manager, Mr. Ricardo West.
Joe Nakin. No, man, no. Possible. No, I can't. Joseph.
The greatest. No, the fucking greatest mega mix.
Dia pa muna nga
It's Vigo.
Jamaica Football Championship Final. Chaplaton Maroons and Racing United.
Ha? What? Ang money go there.
Afternoon once again, ladies and gentlemen, meeting the team this afternoon. Mr. Gregory Daly, JFF Vice President and President of the St. James FA, alongside Mrs. Elaine Walker-Brown, the Vice President of the Jamaica Football Federation and also President of the St. Catherine FA. Racing United, for those of you who do not know, they are in full yellow, while CHAPLETON Maroons are decked out in full white.
So we are back. It is finals. Racing United versus CHAPLETON Maroon. This certainly should be an interesting setup as the greeting party makes way with the CHAPLETON Maroon team. They just finished with the Racing United team. It's quite interesting. As you can see, we've already given you guys the starting lineup. Let's run through it for clarification. Let's go with the team from Clarendon in CHAPLETON Maroon. Let's go here.
Please rise for the play of the
So we have Antoine Gooden in goal, Tremaine Williams, Leon Williamson, Nashawn Bennett, Ray Campbell, Javon Ellis, Junior Lynch, Tajay Brown, Jamari Owell, Alwyn Bryan, and Osani Ricketts as the centre back pairing. Let's continue. For the racing team, we have Ashiki Swearing in goal, Romain Walters, Captain Markovich Brown, Vice Captain Rhyme Edwards in the number 9, leading goal scorer for the team, Anton Rule, number 24, Khalifa Richards, number 3, Tevin Gray, number 13, number 6, DeAndre Johnson, number 12, Kedin Young, number 30, Jaquan Watson, and number 8, Siobhan Reed in the middle of the park. This, I believe, should be an enticing encounter. I expect it to be, I believe it should be, as we look forward to kickstart the finals of the Jamaica Football Championship 2024. Team preparing now for meeting. These two teams met twice this season and Racing was victorious in both games. Can CHAPLETON Maroon win the all-important game like they did in the semi-finals, whereas True Juice would have defeated them twice in the season, but they win the all-important game in the semi-finals. Both games they would have taken the victory for. So it doesn't matter what happened in the season. One-off games are totally different. Different gravy. More. Yeah. As both teams set for the coin toss. It doesn't really matter which direction because it's a fairly even pitch right across the board. There's no necessarily any level of advantage being gained here. None whatsoever. But nonetheless, I believe one would feel that they would have the opportunity to thus gain an advantage.
The officials for today's game, ladies and gentlemen, referee Tesla Anderson will be the man in charge.
So, coach for CHAPLETON Maroons is Bijan Thomas. Coach for Racing United, Anthony Patrick.
Commissioner, Mr. Martin Lynn. Once again, it's the final of the Jamaica Football Championship.
Thank you very much as both teams prepare to kick off here.
Going up against Racing United. Both these teams, ladies and gentlemen, are through to next season Jamaica Premier League.
It is a big final. You can see smiles on the face. I think we believe that they would have known that because they are already through. That feeling of happiness is still amongst the players. kick off in favor of the Maroons. We have standing over the ball Tajay Brown and Leon Williams. Tajay Brown is one who's over the ball at this moment. And referee initiate that brilliant sound of the whistle. Racing on the attack as early as possible. There over in the wide side is Caden Young. Nicely taken by Reed. With a possession now by racing team Markovich Brown. Goes wide to Walters. Brown goes long over the top. Missed by Ricketts. And a pass through. Here comes a chance for racing. Early out. And Ryan Edwards is a shot. And a deflection with a corner. An early start here by Racing United. Early start by Racing United. Caden Young stands over this one. Rule comes across to whip this one in. My apologies, Khalifa Richards. With an in-swinger. Nice whipped inside. And Gooden was in a good position. Take that one quite easily. Here comes Chappleton now. Down the flank. Howell. Pass inside. Back to Howell. Howell flicked around. That's a nice flick. Reed read that one quite easily. Nice turn there by Reed. Giving away. Racing looking just to withhold a bit of possession. Brown. Pass inside to Reed. Nice, tipped over the top. Here's Young. Nice work there by Young. And Ricketts not taking any chances. He's in a good position just to move that one out of play. Thrown here to the racing team. Quite a few times now would have seen the ball gone over the top. Seems to be the intent by racing team, because the Chappleton Maroons team is playing with a slightly high line. Maybe racing would see that that's an early way to get the first sniff of blood, as they did so initially through Watson. Nice touch here. Brilliant first touch here from Brown. Brown inside to Howell, taken away. Here comes Gray, Young. Richards. Nice work from Richards. Wonderful bit of interception from Brown. Brown on the attack now. Inside, Bennett. Looking for support. And Campbell was in support. Pass inside. And as Lynch tried to receive that one on the turn, Campbell. Nice throw there from Campbell. Nice bit of work there. And a collision between Brown and his own teammate out back wide. Nice bit of work. Wonderful work there from Brown. Campbell looking for support. Brown again. Very tricky player. Pass inside, one touch pass. Ellis, Ricketts. Pass inside, nice pass inside, intercepted by Walters. Wonderful first touch here. Here comes racing now, pass here. And Edwards is through. Looking for support is Edwards versus Ricketts. Pass on the back. And a wonderful cross. No one gambled there. And nice work there from Walters. And that one out of play for a goal kick. The intent is shown early here in this game. Going to boot this one out. Goes short, out wide. Shackleton kind of shaping in a back three. Here comes Shackleton now. Nice bit of play out wide. Cuts inside. Brilliant bit of work there. Looking for support. Still in possession. That's nice work. On the top, Willie goes for a shot. Pass inside. And Brown was in a good position. Pass out wide. Watson on the ball. Goes inside. Taken away quite easily. Here comes Campbell. Lynch, my apologies. Lynch goes inside. Flick pass out wide. Taken down by Brown. Brown goes out wide to find Watson. And pushing it back there from Campbell. Free kick here in favor of the racing team. Pass around. It's Ricketts versus Edwards for this evening. Pass inside. Here comes Reed. Taking that nicely. Lynch, Gray. Wonderful work from Gray out wide to find Young. And just put it just a little bit too wide. Too much on that one. Young inside. And it is Edwards. Oh my word. You thought that he would control that one nicely. Ryan Edwards, an opportunity there to get something done, but didn't. Booted long by Gooden. Well done by Brown. Johnson finds Reed inside the middle of the park. Reed, wonderful. First touch, Gray. Nice work by Gray. Technically sound youngster. Johnson. Brown. Heavy pass here from Brown out wide. As Ashiki Swearing comes through. Clean up. It's a wonderful work. Brilliant bit of delivery from Swearing there. Nice bit of work there from. Here comes Edwards now. Out wide. Trying to find Young. Taken away. Intercepted by Howell. Here comes. Nice tackle there. Lovely intensity of the game so far. I think this is what everyone would expect who's here. No team will come lying down. A trophy's on the cards here for this one. Booted long. Nice bit of work there and reversed infringement. Ricketts now in possession. Pushing forward. Back to Ricketts. Campbell dropping deep. Ricketts searching for options. Taking a bit long on the ball. And that was poor there. Went out of play here. As Ricketts trying to find Campbell. Walters now with the throw-in. As keeper Gooden is on the floor. Jordan. Listen. Gooden is on the pitch. And there was no contact on Gooden, so this one is a bit surprising. They do have an experienced Javel Plunkett on the bench. That's where goalkeeping is concerned. CHAPLETON Maroons is in a very good position. Because they do have quality. Seems to be the uncle of Gooden. Quite unsure when he would have picked up that niggle. Our play set to restart here as getting some of the magic spray. I have a bad ankle myself. I think I might need some of that spray. They say it's only available for elite players actually, so maybe I'm not qualified as yet. Certainly will get my opportunities though. If you're just joining, we're here at the Captain Earthworld Center of Excellence where we look into the Jamaica Football Championship finals where we have Racing versus Chapletoon Maroon. Both teams already qualified for the Premier League. Now they're fighting for the championship. Who will take it? We're watching live broadcast here on MG Sports TV. I'm your commentator, Mario Dakers. Booted out by Campbell. Nice work. Here comes Chapletoon Maroons. Nicely taken. It is Williams. Williams goes that goes. And Brown was in a outstanding position there just to take that one out. But a brilliant bit of work from Williams to get it, to evade his man. Find that pass. Corner here to the Chapletoon team. Seems to be an in-swinger. Whipped inside. That's a nice delivery. And a bit of mistake there. So I stopped swearing, did not get his hand on that one. Nice right there from Lynch. Big whip inside. Wonderful one from Brown. And Swearing claimed that one quite comfortably. Booted long. Gray. Chance here. And Campbell. Reed. In possession. Holds possession quite nicely. Richards out wide to find Edwards. And poor first touch from Edwards. Was unable to turn there. Nice touch here from Williams. Williams utilizing his bodies quite well. Here comes Racing now in transition. Gray out wide to find Young. Young's quite quick. Tricky. Very, very tricky youngster. Pass inside. Gray. And Gray just could not get a toe to that one. Brilliant bit of play here from the Racing team. Here comes Chapletoon now. It's now their time. Taken away very, very easily. Reed. Pass inside. Here comes Johnson. Out wide to find Young again. Young versus Campbell. Young. Young goes to the line. Nice bit of work there by Young. And Campbell applying a bit of wrestling. And assistant was not having that one. He took Young out and also the assistant. Quite entertaining. Young. Look to whip this one in. That's a nice delivery. Chance here for Racing. And Racing finds the net. And it is Siobhan Reed. Siobhan Reed finds the opener for Racing United as Gooden is on the pitch. In the 15th minute of the game, in the 15th minute of the game, Racing take the lead through a strike from Siobhan Reed. And Gooden is still down on the floor. "15 minutes of play here and Racing have taken the lead through Siobhan Reed." Racing just regroup, having a conversation about what's happening on the pitch so far. They are now in a really good position.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the opening goal coming in the 15th minute. Racing United, number 8.
Gooden is still on the pitch.
The goal scorer. CHAPLETON Maroons.
Quite unsure what's the issue here.
Racing United 1. Number 8, Siobhan Reed, the goal scorer.
Chapleton might be in some problems here because Gooden is still on the pitch. He's back on his feet now, but he's moving around a bit gingerly.
Get up, man, get up. The game continue, please.
So, quarter of an hour, Racing taking the lead. As we kickstart. Next side. Williamson. Pass inside. Poor first touch by Brown. Taken away from Brown. Great. And he's taken out. It seems to be Tajay Brown taking out both players at the same time. Free kick here in favor of Racing team. Through in here, Swearing. Brown, booted long. Here comes big switch here from Reed. Nice pass. Here comes Richards. Richards looking to the back post. Big switch here from Richards. And Sonny Ricketts just knocking that one out. Not taking any chances. Corner here to the Racing team. Big swing inside here and nicely taken by Gooden. Looking for no ball, but there's none. Swing wide. Brown is there. Nice work there from Brown. Support here. Gray. Wonderful turn from Gray. And he gets touched out. Nice bit of work there from the youngster. Tevin Gray. Quick on his feet. Nimble in his movement. She passed out wide. Trying to find Young. So here comes Gray. Richards still in possession. Out, find Gray. A nice bit of defensive work there from Howell. And Young did really well there to win that one back. Pass inside. Here comes Edwards. Trying to switch the play early from Edwards. Lynch.
Double.
Taken away. And that was overly aggressive from Lynch. And a foul on Walters. As you can see, a bit of frustration from coming through the Chappleton team. Brown set to put this one in. Jordan, right now you can zoom out from now. So you catch everything, zoom out. Whipped inside. Right, and it was in a good position. Good. So dead ball, you zoom out, catch everything. You can take your time and zoom in. Not in one time, you know, take your time and zoom in. Pass inside. Gray on the top. Here comes Johnson. Johnson, a shot. Brilliant save from Gooden. Antoine Gooden in goal with a magnificent save. Johnson set his sight on goal. And he did have a shot. And it was beautifully struck, but Antoine Gooden in goal is just magnificent. Equal to the shot. Brilliant save from the youngster. Young whip that one in. Nice delivery. Edwards at back post. Looking for turn. Touch around. Nice work from Edwards. Cross aside from goal. Whipped inside. Here comes Maroons. Nice work. Brown out wide. That's a nice pass. And Richards was in a good position there. As Lynch hassles him. Booted up by Swearing. Nice take from Williams. Booted out, not taking any chances. Brown, captain. Jordan, no, I can zoom in a little. Yeah, this one. Nice work. Here comes Chappleton now. Taken away. 1-2 minute touches. Williams in possession. And as you can see, a lot of hustling from the racing team just to win that possession. And Chappleton is slightly struggling to get to progress the ball. So they know utilizing the wide areas. Free kick here in a good position. Can they make it count? Whipped inside. Nice delivery. And on goal. And it's a reply from the Chappleton Maroons team. It is the defender Tremaine Williamson put his name on the goal sheet. Chappleton Maroons not going down. Brilliant header. Williamson Swearing did not see that one. It was a really good delivery also. Swearing just get himself in a very good position to find the back of the net there. 24th minute. It is 1-1. This now sets up for an enticing encounter after a magnificent save moments ago from Gooden. Up front is the Chaplaton Maroons team making themselves accountable by putting the ball in the back of the net. Here comes Edwards. Nice, and he's taken down in front of goal. And the referee said that's a foul as he was taken out. That's not in the goal though. I don't think that's in the goal. That's at the edge of the penalty box. Quite close.
Now Chaplaton Maroons 1, Racing United 1.
Free kick here at the edge of the spot. A chance for Racing to reply. It was quite aggressive tackle on Ryan Edwards. Let's see who is going to take this one. As Richards stands over it. Also Reed, Edwards. Quite a few good kickers in this team. Richards to take this one off the left foot. Set speed specialist. Will he make it count? Can he make it count? Great here in actually a very good position. Let's see what's going to happen here. Will he hit this one good? Steps up. Whipper. And too much on that one. More power than less technique. I guess that's the wrong alternative there. Should have went the other way around. More technique and less power. Good. Put that one out. Nice work there by Walters. Young. Nicely taken. Here comes Young. Nice pass outside. Overlapping Walters. Look for support inside. Nice work. Here comes Johnson. Young. Nice turn here from Young. Pass inside. And Walters was just flat-footed right there. As Gooden picked that one up quite easily. Quite an entertaining half an hour football here. Williamson, goal scorer, finds Lynch. Lynch turns. And just a clip of the foot there from Richards on Lynch. Free kick in favor of. Whipped inside, trying to find Williams. Thrown here to the Maroons. They go back and the hunt. Throw inside. Nice work. Here comes Maroons now. Shot on goal to the back post, and Swearing was just equal to that task. Quite comfortable. Campbell. Nice work there by Lynch. Back heel. Here comes the Maroons on the attack. Out wide. Williams. And dealt it there quite easily. First time pass out wide by Ellis. Howell on possession. Ellis. Ricketts now on top. Will Ricketts go for a shot? Pass inside. Nice incision pass. Goes down on the floor. Here comes a transition now from the racing team out wide to Edwards. Can he keep it in? Unfortunately, he can't. That requires a lot from him.
Ladies and gentlemen, vehicles parked on the driveway, on the roadside, on the sidewalk. You're asked to remove your vehicle and put them into the designated parking lot. The UWI.
Nice work, shot and goal. And that was quite easy. Williams was trying something else because they haven't had a shot and goal as yet.
Vehicles parked on the driveway. You're asked to go to your vehicle, put it in the parking area.
So no. Dealt it there by Ellis. Young and Brian having a competitive battle here in the left side of the pitch. So inside. Nice done here by Ellis. Switch. Nice pass. Here comes Johnson. Over the top. Chance here. One kick inside. Oh my word. And Watson got a toe to it, but couldn't maybe. Would have assumed that he wouldn't touch it, but that definitely would have caused some problems if he had gotten a better touch on it. Good now. Out to Ricketts. Here comes Ricketts now. Pass inside. Poor pass here from Ricketts. Here comes Williams. Nice first touch. Pass inside. Oh, nice work. Here comes Brian. Inverted side. Tackled there. Richards. Brian. Cuts inside. Shot and goal here. And a bit too high on that one. Brown didn't really drive his ankle through that one. It's more so of a chip and actually a driven shot. Richards looking for support, goes inside. Swearing. Goes across Walters. Swearing goes long, out wide. Back pass from Ellis. Puts his teammate under a bit of pressure here. Giving away. Reed. Richards now in possession. Richards still on the go. Pass out wide. Given away there by Richards. On the go. Here comes the CHAPLETON Maroons team now out wide. It's Lynch in possession. Cuts inside. Nice work there from Lynch. Looking for support. Lynch. And that's a foul there on the edge of the box. A free kick for the CHAPLETON Maroons team. And this is how they got the first goal. Free kick, but a little bit out further than here. But this could be a direct free kick here. Chance to get a whip at goal to show their set piece prowess. Just 3 minutes of football played so far. Bennett stands over this one as well. Bennett. Shot and goal from Bennett. And not a bad attempt. A little too much power on that one. And again, more power and less technique, and I think he should be more technique and less power. Here comes racing now, playing on from the back. Swearing. Goes along with a big switch. Richards, nice to take in from Richards. Goes inside, giving away. Edwards, set to clean up. Pass here from Edwards. Not the best game from Edwards so far. A few missed passes, and he has been kept quiet so far by the Chaplaton defenders. Taken away, here comes Edwards now. Looking for support. Pass over, that's a poor pass. Really, really poor pass from Edwards, man. Not the best game from Edwards so far. Williams. With it long. Johnson. Nice pass inside to Gray. Nice work from Gray beating his man. Pass inside, trying to find. Just trying to release Young. Replay. Here comes Chaplaton Maroons now. Trying to find their moment. So far both teams are having their moments. It's all down who take it. Lynch. Pass inside. Here comes Williams. Support coming. Nice bit of work there from Johnson. Johnson out wide trying to find Young. Pass inside. Taken away from Young. Here comes Chaplaton now. Poor pass. It's over the top there. And infringement there on Edwards. Quick restart here. It's Campbell. Chaplaton pushing forward now. Pass out wide. Nice pass. Campbell receives. Campbell again. Nice bit of build-up play here from the Chaplaton team. Pass inside on top. Williams now with a shot. Lynch looking for a shot. Cuts back. The opportunity not presenting itself. Lynch still in possession. Cross across the box and Swearing. Take that one quite comfortably. Here comes Johnson now. Pass inside. Here comes Gray. Nice work from Gray out wide to find Watson. Watson goes to the byline. Here comes Watson. And some goal kick in favor of. Good tackle there by Williams. Taken away quite easily there. Brian pushing high up the pitch now as Chaplaton seems to be utilizing the wide areas. And referee said that's an infringement. Rooted long. Edwards taken away by Young. Here comes Gray. Heavy pass here from Gray. Given away quite easily. Here comes Howell now in possession. Out wide from Howell. Given away again. Edwards now in possession. Looking for turn. On top to Gray. Gray goes for a shot. And not the best technique there. As the ball was rolling away. And he goes over his feet. Didn't get to hit it. Oh, he'd wanted it to. Richards. Here comes Johnson now. Nice turn from Johnson. Flipped inside. Here comes Edwards now trying to get a turn. Walters trying to get ahead of Brian, and here comes Chapleton now. Ricketts. Poor work there from Ricketts. Take just a bit too long on the ball. Johnson couldn't hold on to that one. Howell in possession, turns, looking for support. Pass out wide. And Brian just overcooked that one. Thrown here to the Chapleton team. The clocks dwindles down. Nice bit of play here, building from the back. Switch here. Watson now in possession. Big switch here comes Edwards. No, Edwards is through. And good bit of defending there from Campbell. Ricketts now. Brian. Too many touches from Brian. Giving away. Pass inside. Gray. One touch. Here comes Johnson. Looking for support. Johnson still on the ball. Find Walters. Walters. Out wide. Here comes Young. Young inside to Walters. And Walters couldn't have capitalized on that one. That was like a big opportunity there. Young again in possession. Walters. Find Edwards. Looking for a shot. It's Edwards. Shot and goal from Edwards. He's been searching for that shot from how long now? Thrown here to the racing team. Game has become a bit of a transitional game. Going for a long throw in from Brown, captain. Inside, that's a nice run. Head off here, chance here. And Young almost snatched on that one, but it's good bit of goalkeeping here from the youngster, Gooden. Looks about this one long. Nice bit of work there from Brown. Back to Swearing. Swearing with that one long. Watson challenges Owl. Watson trying to go around Owl, and nice bit of work there from Watson to actually win the ball. Throw into the racing team. Just 2 minutes of regular time left to play. Throw inside. Here comes Edwards now. Nice jump there from Williams. Throw in again. Racing still on the hunt just to find that goal to separate the two teams. Richards. Nice touch there and foul on Lynch. He's still on the pitch. Seems to be in a bit of pain here. And he's back on his feet now. Look to restart the play. Williamson to boot this one long. Over the top. Reed is there. Here comes Johnson. Out wide. And Young couldn't sort out his foot in there to collect that one. Long throw in there. Young goes on the byline. Young still in possession. Nice bit of work there. Ricketts versus Edwards. It's Ricketts. And Edwards win that one. Young. And brilliant bit of defending there from Williamson. Young just hesitated just a minute or second too long. Williamson did brilliantly there.
Ladies and gentlemen, the court official indicate minimum 2 minutes to be added.
Here comes Chapleton now on the go. Lynch in possession. And not the best word there from Lynch. 2 minutes added on. Here comes racing now. And it's Edwards just trying to walk away with that one. Whipped inside. Here comes racing. Chapleton now. Opportunity. And referee said that's an on ball. Pass inside. Giving away too easy. Here comes Chapleton now. It's racing lock. Mental focus at this moment. Getting behind. It's Lynch. Nice work there from Lynch. And Richards. With a brilliant bit of defending. Man. Here comes Brown now, captain. Dribble past the first line and press. Out wide. Nice pass inside. And Gooden, bit slow off his line. Last moment of the game here. Here comes Walters now. Overlapping. Out wide. Nice interception from Williamson. He has been brilliant so far. Walters. And that was quite dangerous. From Ricketts. He's getting out of hand at this present moment.
What a wicked man drop down.
It's really getting out of hand at this moment. It's quite dangerous from Ricketts, and let's see what the referee is going to do here. Temperature. Temperature boils over here. Yes. Yellow card was issued. As the temperature of the game has significantly risen. Not a yellow card here. This should be the last kick of the game. Williamson. Put that one long. And straight into the hands of Swearing. And the referee call off that's it, half time here. And at this moment, that is it for the first half. It's certainly an interesting matchup. 1-1.
Chapletown Maroons 1. Racing United 1.
First goal came in the 24th minute. No, my apologies. First goal came in the 15th minute from Siobhan Reed. And second goal from Tremaine Williamson in the 24th minute, actually. And it's half time. It's Racing United 1, Chapletown Maroon 1. Interesting first half here. Stay tuned. Join us for the second half in this matchup in the Jamaica Football Championship Finals.
Number 30. Jake Watson is replaced by number 14, Diamond Clark. Substitution completed in the 46th minute.
All right, we are back for the second half of this matchup. One substitution here. Diamond Clark comes in and we're off. I don't think we're going to see the same intensity. It should increase, I think. All right. Pass inside. Heavy touch there from Gray. Does it by Williamson. Ellis lose out on that one. Pass inside. Here comes Edwards. Edwards is through. And defender did extremely well there, and he's down on the pitch. Just to stop Edwards there. Taking his time to find his fitting. Use small screen. Watch his small screen. Watch it. No. Yeah, watch it. Yo. If you one time,
Well, we both.
if you do one time, it's 45 minutes, not 30.
So who get it around? Who both funny? Oh, your phone.
Nice touch here. And Williamson there with a big swing. Quickly taken out wide. Edwards now in possession. Turn inside, looking for a shot. Nice incisive pass. Out wide, 1-2 pass here on the top of the edge of the 18-yard box. Didn't come off as accurate as they wanted to. Richards. Nice turn. And good bit of defending here from captain. Big switch. Not the best word here from Campbell. Here comes Edwards. Campbell retrieves the ball. Nice work from Campbell. Goes inside. Finds Ellis. Bennett. Big switch here from Bennett, trying to find Williams in behind. Fortunately, does not have that speed to get beyond. Williamson goes back to Gooden. Big switch here from Gooden. Nice touch here. Here comes Brian. No, cuts inside. Nice work from Brian. Brilliant work from Brian. Goes for a shot. And straight into the palm of the goalkeeper. That's nice work from Brian. He's been very, very active now. Was in the left full back position at the beginning of the game. Now he's on the right side. Right winger. Left footer in the right wing position. Here comes Gray. Cuts inside. 1 too many touches from Gray there. Taken away. Here comes CHAPLETON Maroons on Ellis. Quick foot. And Walters just going to the ground. Stop the play there. Throwing here today. CHAPLETON team. Miss kick. And as they gain control of the situation in the defensive third. Throw it here from Swearing. Nice throw out wide. Here comes Young. Young cuts inside. Nice work there from Young. And giving away. Quick transition here for the Maroons team. Maroon now just putting a foothold on the game now at this present moment. Out wide. Nice turn there, and a tackle is Walters not having that. Racing United in the full yellow and Chapletown Maroons in the full white. Pass inside, here comes Johnson now. Cuts inside. Lots of runners. And did not make the best decision right there. Bennett. Pass outside is Williams. Rule on a challenge. Nicely done there by Rule. And Brian just lost his footing. And Brown not taking any chances there. Thrown here for Richards. Giving away there. He's young. And Bennett went to the ground. Quickly taken. Williams now on the go. Chance here for Williams, and Rule was there, not taking any chances. Corner here to the Chapletown Maroons team. The momentum was swung in the favor of Chapletown Maroon. Not committing numbers though. Campbell goes across to take this one. Looking to be an in-swinger. More dangerous. Campbell, that's a nice delivery. Swearing, did well there. And there was a huge collision inside of the penalty box between the goalkeeper, Williamson. I can't see who else that is. It's Johnson actually. Swearing is still on the ground. Both Johnson and Williamson are back up. Swearing receiving some treatment. Just slightly hopeful that it's not as serious as we think. And he's back on his feet. Well done to the physios and the doctors, the racing team. It's inside. And that is another dangerous challenge by Ellis. Big switch here. And that was outside of play here by Rule. Uncertain what he was trying to do. Here comes Lynch, dropping deep to provide some support. Rule again. Pass out wide. Edwards now, not necessarily in this game. Richards. And goes down in phases actually. Some aggressive tackles in the middle of the park by the Chapletown Maroon team. Not taking any chances. So what? Johnson comes in support. Back to Johnson. Pass over the top. That's a nice attempted pass, unfortunately. The final pass was not the best. Great. Pass inside. Johnson now in possession. Looking for support. Nice pass inside. Great. Finds Rule. Pushing forward. Richards. Not the best switch here from Richards. Johnson now. Reed. Back to Johnson. Nice with a link-up play between both of them. Pass inside. Out wide. Here comes Young. Young on his feet. Looking for support. Pass inside the middle of the park. Reed. Out wide. Back inside. Nice bit of build-up play here by the racing team. And it's Richards outside. Cuts inside by Richards. And good bit of defending there from Ricketts. Nice 1-2 pass here. Just a bit too heavy between Williams and Brown. Touch from Brown was just a bit too heavy. Reed. Young. Finds Gray. Gray gets past his man. Here comes racing now, it's through, and it's Edwards. Edwards on goal, and a good bit of defending here from the Chapleton team. Another chance here from Edwards. Get past the defender, get past the goalkeeper. Good recovery from the defenders to minimize that opportunity. And the chance presented itself to Edwards. He just could not take it. Surely feel disappointed at this moment. Jordan, number 9. Him, number 9. Quite a few chances present itself. You can see frustration on his face. He's the team leading goal scorer so far this season. One of the most prolific strikers in the league, actually. Disappointed. You can see it's just maybe just not his day. Jordan, take it off. Play set to restart here. Substitution here. Racing Maker. Another substitution here. Tevin Gray coming off. And Nikai.
He was replaced by number 10, Nikai Ellis.
Nikai Ellis coming on for Gray. Ellis is a wonderfully unique player. Very technically gifted. Reads the game well. Has a brilliant vision for passes inside of the final third. Let's see what he's going to add to this game. A lot of supporters were asking for him a bit earlier on the coach decided that this is the time. Nice work there from Johnson. Pass inside. Here comes Young. Young gets in behind. Young with a shot on goal, and he literally hit that one outside of the facility. Here comes Chapletown Maroons now. Pass over the top. Johnson. Pass inside to Ellis. Ellis, first touch. So we have Ellis versus Ellis. Just a moment ago. Booted long, not taking any chances. Rule now in possession. Here comes racing now. Pass out wide in behind. Here comes Young. Big switch from Young to the back post. Clearance here by Ricketts. Not taking any chances. Reed. Nice work there by Richards. Racing now, adding on the pressure. Nice chip pass here from Johnson. Giving away. Brown. Pass inside again. And out for a throw. Campbell now to take this throw in. Chapletown Maroons. We want to take some pressure off their back now because the last 10 minutes or so it has all been racing. Here comes Chapletown Maroons now. Pass out wide. Richards not taking any chances here. Williamson. Here comes racing now. And that was given away very, very easily. By Clark. Quite a few bit of confusion here in the middle of the park for racing. It's a perfect opportunity for Chapletown to get himself on the go. Nice work there by Richards again. Here comes Reed now. Pass inside to Edwards. Edwards turn. Left Ricketts. And gets away from that one. Has play set to restart here. Referee said, call back that one. Ellis goes to the ground. Quite smart move there from Ellis to go down to stop the quick counter or the quick transition. Supporters are really, really upset. I do believe that Ricketts was a bit lucky there not to receive another booking because he would have stopped the transition there as Racing was looked to get in behind. Ellis is still on the floor. If you just join us, we're here live at the Captain Harrisborough Centre of Excellence. We're witnessing the finals of the Jamaica Football Championship 2024. Where we see Racing versus Chapletown Maroons. In the 64th minute, it is Chapletown Maroons 1, Racing United 1. Fairly good turnout of supporters here tonight. I did not expect it. Really did not expect it, but it's quite nice to see. Jordan. Jordan. Stop watching. Watch. Yo. Jordan.
Substitution for the racing team. Out comes number 12. Kadi Young. He'll be replaced by number
Just do it now, man. I beg you. Yeah, I beg you, brother. Substitution here again. Kaden Young coming off for Javon Bashko.
Chapleton Maroons team. Out comes number 15, Jamon Ellis. He's replaced by number 24, Tommy Greer. 28.
Nice work there from
Sean
Reed.
Morgan, Sean Morgan, number 28, 8 for
Here comes Brown. Pass inside. Nice first touch here by Clark. Down the line, here comes Johnson now. Pass inside from Johnson. And
substitution.
Clark stopped there. Did not follow through on that run. Nice work there by Reed. Reed still in possession. The drive pass too. Taken away. Not the best pass. Nice. Brilliant pass outside. Here comes Brand. Pass inside. Johnson now. First impact here from Bashko. Not a technical player coming on. Another ball handler. Oh my word. Oh my word. Wonderful bit of skill by Johnson. Oh my word. Here comes Edwards with a shot. Pass inside. What beautiful pass. Here comes Edwards now. Looking to get a shot off. As the temperature of the game stepped up a bit. Intercepted quite easily. Edwards again. Cut inside. Nice work. Really trying to get Edwards through on goal. The intent was good, but unfortunately, there's no movement there. Swearing now. Nice pass from Swearing, actually. Beat the first press. Ellis on the ball. Drop in the middle of the park to dictate the play a bit. Walters giving away too easily. And another Chapleton player is down on the pitch. Seems to be a bit of fitness issue, cramps. Has to be a little bit of fitness here. And he won't be able to continue, as you can see the signal from Campbell. Campbell signaling for a change here for seems to be Lynch, actually. Nicely taken there. Here comes Chapter. And referee said he's not having that. There was some infringement over that side. Quite unsure what it was, but referee made an early call on that one. Free kick here. The dangerous Williamson will be coming up. He's the tallest player on the pitch. And he's the one who scored the equalizer for the CHAPLETON Maroons team. And a chance here for him to get the winner, if I should say, or maybe put them ahead. It's a nice delivery inside. Good jump there by. Nice work there from Edwards. It's Clark. Did extremely well there. Here comes Basco. Basco trying to. Another substitution here on the line.
Substitution for the CHAPLETON Maroons.
CHAPLETON making a substitution here.
Number 26.
Tajay Brown coming off. Tajay Brown.
Malik Stevens.
Tajay Brown and coming off, and Malik Stevens coming on. Pacey player.
Also coming out, number 10.
Lynch coming off as well.
Lynch is replaced by number 24. Tremaine Graham. Substitution 70 seconds.
Tremaine Graham coming on for Lynch. Nice work there from free kick here for the CHAPLETON team. Ricketts steps up this time as well. Ricketts and Williamson are the danger for the CHAPLETON team inside the 18-yard box. A good delivery here can cause some problem for the racing team. That's a nice delivery to the back post. But too much on that one. Too much meat, they would say. Booted long by Swearing. Here goes Bashko on the go, and brilliant bit of work there from the goalkeeper, reading the situation quite well. Gooden. Pass inside, nice pass. Nice work there from Rule. Graham seems to be getting on the ball as early as possible, trying to cause some problem here for the racing team. First input, another set piece here. As the set piece racked up, the tidal swing now, the momentum will swing in favor of the CHAPLETON team. Malik Stevens' first impact in this game from a set piece. Inside, and nice bit of work there. It's nice work from Williamson. Easy danger inside of the 18-yard box. Brown trying to get rid of the ball. Taken away. Nice turn there from Graham. And Graham doing well there, but unfortunately lost the battle to Reed. Free kick here to the racing team. Play set to start. Rule. Giving away. Racing now under the cush. Wow, nice pass inside here from Brian. Good touch, here comes Bennett. Nice pass here inside to find Williams. And he goes down to the floor. A bit too easy, referee says. Here comes Edwards now. Turn towards goal. This is what he wants. Heavy touch from Edwards. Ellis now. Johnson joins the ranks. Poor work there from Johnson. Walters out wide to find Clark. Clark goes inside. Flick over the top. That's a nice pass. A chance here. And nice bit of work there from Gooden. Coming to claim that one. Sees the opportunity. Saw the danger as well. Wonderful first touch from Graham. Chapletown Maroons now with the momentum. Passing around nicely. Here comes Stevens. Very, very quick. Pass inside. Bennett. Graham on top. Graham look for a shot from way out. And not the best. Not much venom behind that one. The midfielders now in favor of the Chapletown Maroons team. They have taken a lot of touches inside the middle of the park. More so than the first half. Williamson on time. Time on the ball. A lot of touches. Nice work there from Johnson. Here comes Basco. Taking on Williamson. Cuts inside. On top. Johnson. Shot and goal from Johnson. And Gooden saw that one quite easily. Picked that one up, literally. Booted long. Out wide, trying to find Brian. Nice, brilliant distribution there from the goalkeeper, Gooden. As the time winds down. Graham now. Nice bit of work from Graham. Owell finds Ricketts. Ricketts. Long pass over the top. That's a nice pass here by Ricketts. And Walter's seen the danger from early. Steered away. Here comes Racing now. Just trying to take the thing out of the game. Richards. Nice pass out wide to find Graham. Fresh legs. Reed. Nice work there from Reed. Just getting a toe poke off the ball to recycle the danger. The team, allowing the team to get back. Throw in here. Owell, long throw inside the box. And one went out for a corner. The total momentum have swung in favor of the Chapletown Maroon team. Can they make it count? Will they make it count? The tide is there now. You see, you have to score when you have the momentum swing in your favor like that. When the game is in your hands, you have to take your chance. Campbell now to take another in-swinger. That's how they got their first goal. Cross inside. And Walters was on the front post to clear that one off. So far his deliveries have been lethal. Looking to this one again. Whipped inside. Walters was there. And Edwards was having a very, very poor game so far. Nice work there by Edwards. Get past two. Edwards again. So he looks for support. Nice work there. Pass inside. Trying to find Stevens. Poor first touch. Nice pass over the top there. Trying to release Ellis. Nice Nice touch here from Johnson. Here comes Bashko. Pass around the box. Chance here racing. Cuts back. And nice work there from the defender. Good bit of work there from the defender. Thrown here to the Chapleton Maroons team. So approach 88 minutes of this game. This real enticing encounter. They both already know their future, but they're playing for pride, title, get their hands on that trophy, just to say that they are the champions of the 2024 Jamaica Football Championship winners. Thrown here in favor of Racing, actually. Good bit of defending here from the Chapleton team. Booted long. Brown. Long diagonal pass here. And Williamson not taking any chances. Just clearing his lines. Throw in here for the Racing team. Going for a long one. It's actually a corner, whip inside, and Goodendale extremely well there. Causing any problems. Johnson. Chip inside. Edwards. Turns. Back to Johnson. Nice work there from Edwards. Find Johnson. Johnson a shot! And the goalkeeper was reading that one. Was on point. Nice work there from Walters. Reed. Out wide to Clark. Reed again. Pass inside. Brian, no. Tricky. Here comes Brian. Through the middle of the park. Stevens. Pass outside in the middle of the park. Basco now. Trying to fill the space here. Big switch here from Basco out wide. Clark. Clark turns his man. Getting behind. Inside the 18-yard box. Reed. And good bit of defending here from the Chapleton team. Just keeping it as close as possible. Not allowing the Racing team.
Ratty, call Killer Bean. BHW live up here again. When they see me, watch him, look for him.
Not allowing Racing to be comfortable at all. Corner here. It's going to be an in-swinger. This is how Racing got their opener. That's a nice delivery to the back post. Head on goal as he rises. Just could not get a better connection to that one. Goal kick here. Time is on. It's not on any one of them side. Sure, they want to face the penalties here. Nice work. Here comes Williamson. Steps out of the defensive third. And Richards made an illegal tackle or challenge on Brian. Nice work there. Here comes Basco. Trying to find Edwards. And the referee said, foul actually. Spotted something that actually no one did. I didn't see that. Foul here in favor of the racing team. Ellis turns. Goes wide. Find Walters. And Clark, just a little bit too long on that ball. Didn't necessarily stand his ground on it. Nice work there. Cross inside the box to the back post. And it's chance here for Ellis. And it is Rhyme Edwards again. Oh my word. Edwards with a double attempt. As both players are on the ground now. That's Gooden and also Edwards. It's off the bar. Both players are back on their feet now. Ricketts now. Taken away. Ricketts is out of position. Recycle there. Nice touch, Walters. Inside. Nice first touch. Out wide. That's a brilliant pass. A chance here. And Gooden is down on the floor. Unsure why though. Brilliant bit of passes put together for the racing team. Unfortunately, a little bit too much meat on the final pass. Good now on the pitch again. Quite a few times now he has gone down, receiving treatment. You have to wonder if this is concerning for the Chapleton bench. It's back on his feet now, so we might see play restart here. Here comes racing now.
Minimum 4 minutes to be added to the second half.
We have entered into extra time. Added time now being added on. We're heading towards extra time at this present moment if the scoreline remains the same. Nice work there. Here comes Clark. Richards. Poor pass there from Richards. And Chappleton looking to make that early break, unfortunately. No one taking any chances here because of the risk factors. Nice work there by Basco. Good turn. And extremely well there to retain possession of the ball, but the ball went out for a goal kick. Another substitution here for the Chappleton Maroons team. As you see, Williams, the number 11, Leon Williams, exit the field, and Rashawn Linton enters. Reed, Ellis, Clark. Nice work there from Clark. He's turned to beat his man, and he's taken down right in front of the referee. As he issues a yellow card. Taking a while to get up, and he still received the card. I'm sure why he's taking long to get on his feet. To still receive the card.
Substitution for the Chappleton Maroon. Minute 90 plus 2, so number 11. LeVon Williams being replaced by number 13, Russell Linton.
Free kick here. Brown to whip this one in. Nice delivery inside the box and head off goal. Just couldn't get no direction on that one. Booted long by Gooden. Brown. And he's taken out. Dangerous challenge here from Walters.
Chappleton Maroons number 22,
Final
90 plus
chance of the game here. Will they go direct? They opted not to. Brian Graham. Nice turn out wide. Pass inside the box, and that has to be final moment of this first half. And the referee said that is it for the final whistle.
That, ladies and gentlemen, the end of full time. And at the end of full time, Chappleton Maroons rock. Racing in 91. Goal scorers.
This game will go into extra time. Extra time this is going into right now. So we're going to see what these teams, what both teams are made of. This one is A really, really good matchup. Let's see what both teams are made of. We will see. Will they be able to cope? Will we see tired legs kicking in? Very, very interesting here. Stay tuned as we look to restart the first half of extra time. So we look to kickstart the first half of extra time here this evening at the Captain Roseborough Center of Excellence, Huey Mona. It's Chapletown Maroons 1, Ricks United 1. And we're off again. Walters. Clark. Over the top. Ricketts not taking any chances. Here comes pass out wide. Trying to release Edwards. Richards. Graham. He has been alive all since coming on. One too many touches here from Graham. And as both feet tangled and referee said it was done illegally. Brown, the big switch. It's a nice switch there. Taken down nicely. And one went out of play.
You like that? Yes, it's never ever. That's on the Spain and work with people fast and so, or you so.
First, that was a foul in favor of Chapletown Maroons.
You still there? Come here, look across and see. Oh, serious up here. So I'm making a call up there, so. That mean I'm calling from seeing our walk around, but you don't answer the phone. Me that day say, I could have did call up because I see I wouldn't far away.
Walters. Battle between Walters and Howell. Nice work there by Howell. Get behind his man. On top, Graham. Nice pass from Graham out wide to Howell. Howell, get beyond. And Walters with a challenge and seems to be in a bit of pain there. Taken quickly. Clark is there. Ricketts. Booted long now, and that was outside. Racing under a bit of pressure here. Sustained pressure from the Chapletown team. Nice work there. Switch from Ellis, trying to find Edwards. Edwards did well there to get beyond his man. And went out of throw for a racing throw-in. Nice touch here from pass inside. Rude. Turn nicely. Good first touch here from Reed. Richards now to whip this one in. Can he hit the target? Can he find a man inside the box? Cross inside the box. Head off there. And it was Edwards. Chance here for racing. And went down quite easily. No, no. Turnover again. Reed. Nice pass, Clark. Ricketts. was slightly a bit too aggressive there. And very fortunate.
You know what I like?
And Clark is down on the floor.
Yeah, man. Like her, man. Like how she road cross. You like our farm. Our farm proper. Oh man, she know for run.
Here comes play set to restart here now. The clock ticks away. Graham in the middle of the park. Nice work there from Graham taking it down. Brown not taking any chances. Goes long over the top. And miscommunication between defender and goalkeeper there. Chapletoon just trying to manage the game. Taking their time best as possible. Booted long by Gooden. A hand in the back there from Reed. Whip to the back post. And Diamond just not trying not the one out and just went to the goalkeeper. Booted long by the goalkeeper and that one lobbed it here. Nice work from Basco. Edwards looking to take on it by himself. It's just lined up to get a shot. And good bit of pressure from Edwards. Not having the best day, but he's still working extremely hard. Here comes Richards, and not the best here. Booted long. Well done there by. Nice turn there by. Wonderful work. And Graham is working overtime since coming on. Really working. Nice work there by Richards. Pass inside Basco. Turns. Here comes racing now. Back to Basco. Basco with a shot. Nice touch here. Here comes racing. And play set to stop there. Two players are on the pitch. He's racing. He's looking to get something from that one. A little bit late in the challenge. his feet. He was in some pain. Johnson is also down, but he back in his feet as well. So both players are back on their feet now and seems to be shaking that off. You can hear the coach on the sideline just trying to motivate the players. Clearance 0. Brown not taking any chances as he goes across to win a throw-in. Nice bit of defending there from Brown. Richards, long throw. Passes. Nice pass here. Nice work. Here comes Basco. And the flag is up for offside. Pass inside. Graham. And a few balls are dropping at the feet of Graham, and I do think he's in a moment to get something done here. He's one player so far. He has been very, very active in this extra time. Markovic Brown is down. Been brilliant so far in the defensive third.
Catch your form for the people in the journey. Zoom in the journey. The people in the
Motivation.
Johnny, zoom in the people that get the motivate. Zoom in when you see what I'm Johnny, I'll leave a shoot the camera. Yeah, man. Zoom in with come on, Johnny. Help them, man.
You know play?
You know play?
No, never play. Never play.
Now what I'm learning from? No, that's
This could be a bit concerning. I'm quite unsure that defensive change is not necessarily one that the racing team would want to make, but unfortunately they might be forced in that situation or that position at this moment. Plus he's the captain of the game, and especially the nature of the game, you'd want your captain to be on the pitch as long as possible. The question now is, will he be able to see out this game? And stretchers were coming out, and they said no need for stretchers. This place set to restart here now. Nice right there. It's Bosco. Free kick here for racing team. Booted long to the back post. Nice pass out wide. So far.
Yes.
Pass inside.
No, but that's a good thing for me. But
Williamson. Pass over the top. A little bit too heavy. And nice work there. Howell did really well. And the referee said that is it for the first half of extra time.
So that's the half-time period of extra time. Still, Chapter
Blame your-
1, Racing United 1. 15 minutes
Just going to make a
to go.
quick change of
The extra
side on the pitch. Maybe a little refreshment. And then we're back at it again. And Captain Brown is still receiving treatment. Maybe you can see that the nature of the injury might be persistent. So at this present moment, the issue of penalty is looming. Very sure. Don't think that. And we're back off with the second half. Will we see any difference here tonight? Booted along by Gooden. Here comes racing now. Nice pass here out. It's Edwards. Shot and goal from Edwards. And the goalkeeper was confident in that one. Stevens. Heavy touch. Cross inside. Here comes racing now, pushing forward. Shot on goal and hit that one outside for me and my friends. Go on, right now.
Somebody got a feet already. Hey, watch out.
Another substitution lurk. as Rhyme Edges makes his way. Come on, it's Asani Brown. Asani Brown coming on.
Edward, replaced by number 7, Asani Brown.
Free kick there. Free kick here for Chapletoon team. Booted long. Nice bit of work here. Stevens now looks to take on his man, cuts inside. Stevens a shot on goal, and that one went wide. Over the top. Basco versus Williamson. Ricketts. Drop off quite nicely. So inside. Basco. And couldn't be able to hold that one. At this moment, it definitely seems as if it's heading straight towards penalty. No decider at this moment. Long throw there. Basco now. Nice touch from Basco. Here comes Ellis. Out wide. And it is Johnson. Nice work from Ellis out wide. Brown. To the back post. Here comes Clark. Looking for a shot. Nothing there. Graham takes them all out of the play. Brown. Goes across to find Rule. Back to Brown. Brown goes to the goalkeeper, Swearing. High press here from the Chapletoon team. Here comes Rule. Nice bit of work there from Rule. And uncertain what he was trying to do there to hand that possession over so easily to the racing team. Over the top, trying to find Basco. Basco, wrist, Asani misses. Here comes Basco. Chance and goal, and he misses. Oh my word! Javon Basco missed a big opportunity. Asani Ricketts could be smiling at this moment with a big sigh of relief. With a huge error, and Basco did not capitalize on that one. I'm 100% sure that one hurts. Booted along by Gooden. Out wide. Over the top. Ricketts again. Misses again from Ricketts. And Gooden just come to clean that one up quite easily. Brown. And Brown and Swearing quite confident in what they're doing there. That's nice pass around the top.
Substitution number 3, Halloween Fire, about to face by number 27, Roy Patch.
Watch out.
Booted long, and that one went over the goal. And that one went out of play there. And it's a brilliant finish from Chapleton Maroons. Oh my word! Chapleton Maroons make it 2-1. With a brilliant build-up play. And it's Malik Stevens, the man from Hornet Garden, come and solidify this one. Malik Stevenson. Find the all. Drop. No, I'm gonna restart it.
Well, for Chapleton Maroon, did it 1-1-4.
Over the top.
Ali Stephen, the goal scorer. Chapleton Maroons 2.
What a moment to come and score. A vital goal. Malik Stevens with the all-important goal for Chapleton Maroon. Extremely vital.
Maestro, the gears are too heavy for the man there.
And the clock winds down. Chapleton Maroons with the lead. All important goal. When it's important.
Okay, number 8, Siobhan Reed, please, by number 11, Vital William, and number 3, Khalifa Richard, he was replaced by number 15.
Racing pushing extremely hard
Substitution.
to find that all important goal. Another chance here for Racing, launching the ball down the final third. Nice work. Here comes, and it was Ellis. The opportunity this time around.
Them getting enough goal for in the match.
They have to say they did get their fair chance.
Yeah, man, that happened.
Booted long. Racing pushing extremely hard. Out wide. Brown, a brilliant delivery. And the keeper hold on to that one quite nicely. It's good work from the goalkeeper. Nice work there from Stevens. He's been well since coming on. That's nice work. Stevens goes behind his man. And he's taken down, and the referee said there's a foul at the edge of the 18-yard box. Racing set to restart here. Not looking good. CHAPLETON Maroons with the lead in extra time. And another player's down on the pitch.
No, so the brother, it look like on the video when he sent me. But the brother and the barber chair, man. I'm a trim.
Oh.
You do your work, man, for sure. I be crying there, so what? I'm on a race inside this one.
CHAPLETON Maroons with the lead.
CHAPLETON team sees number 13, Rashawn Linton, being replaced by number 20, Ronaldo Christian. Substitution, minute 1:21.
And that is it, final moments of this game. And the biggest mistake there from Swearing almost. Spill is booted long. Here comes Clark. Nothing there. Bosco. Clark out wide. Big switch. It's a brilliant switch there. No one at the back post, attacking the back post. John Snow. Swing inside. And it's a chance here, brilliant chance here to make it count. And it did not do so. And this has to be the final moments. As the referee look at his watch. And the referee, that is it. And CHAPLETON Maroons are the champions of the 2022 Jamaica Football Champions.
Champion of the Jamaica Football Championship.
A brilliant performance from the Chapleston team. Racing must have been disappointed not being able to put away their chances, and certainly both teams are still on to the Premier League. Quite unfortunate for Chapleston Maroons, for Racing United, but it's a brilliant performance for Chapleston Maroons this night. They defeated Racing United, defeated them twice this season in the regular season, but they decided to win it when it's most important. Same with True Juice, Chapleston Maroons versus True Juice. Chapleston Maroons have lost twice versus True Juice and defeated True Juice in the semi-finals to advance to the most important part of the season and making it into the Jamaica Premier League for the 2024-2025 season. The all-important win came tonight for Chapleston Maroons. The most important win of the season, actually. Congratulations, Chapleston Maroon. Crown victories of the 2024 Jamaica Football Championship title. Thank you very much, people, for joining. Thank you very much for watching. First goal scored by Siobhan Reid in the 15th minute for Racing United, and an equalizer by Tremaine Williamson in the 24th minute. And the winner came from Malik Stevens in the 116th minute of the game in extra time. Brilliant performance from the team. Massive win for Chapleston Maroon. Thank you very much for tuning in. Have a wonderful night.